Hey guys, this is Cheyenne and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make a thumbnail. I'm going to be using this inspo right here. Okie dokie, let's get to it. Okay, so these are the apps you're going to need. You're going to need VN. It's an editing app and it's right here and you're going to download that. You're going to need CapCut. And you're going to need PicsArt. You're also going to need an app called Phonto. This one right here. And you're going to download that one too. Okay, now that you know all the apps you're going to need, let's get to the rest of the parts. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do, you're going to find a color that you want to be like an overshade on your pictures. So I'm going to go with a pink right here. This one. This pink. Okay. Now you are going to go to where is it? PicsArt. You're going to click the plus sign. And you're going to go down. To where it says grids right here. And you're going to find the photos you want to use. So I'm going to use this one, and this one. Then you're going to slide these over. And you're going to go to the one that's like that. Just ignore that. And I'm going to put this one in the middle. And you want to change, you're going to go down here and you're going to click the plus sign and you're going to go right here to where it's like this and you're going to go to background, ratio, and you're going to scroll all the way to where it says YouTube because it's a YouTube thumbnail. And it's going to make it spaced out a lot more. Actually, I found something that's wrong with this. I'm going to rotate that to where it's like that. Okay. And then you're going to go back to where you were. And you're going to go to where it says border. You can have a border if you want to, but I don't like having a border. So I'm going to turn mine all the way down. See? So now there is no border. And we're going to save this. Okay. Okay, so now that you've done your grid thing, you're going to go to VN right here. And allow access to all your photos. Just allow. Okay, and then we're going to go and click this plus sign. New project. And you're going to go to photos. And look, there's your photo right there. You're going to click on that one. Click the arrow. Okay, and your photo should be right here. You're going to click the little photo icon above it. Like that. Stock. And then you're going to go to photos again, and you're going to get this pink one. The pink that you chose, or whatever color you chose. You're going to spread it to where it's all the way across. Then you're going to go down here and go to opacity. And you're going to turn it to whatever looks good to you. I think I'm going to go with right there. See? There you go. And you're going to save this. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go back to PicsArt. You're going to press the plus sign. And you're going to go all the way down to where it's a background like this. You're going to hit next. and then save. This helps you get it for free. If not, if you don't do it like this, you're going to end up having to pay money, which is unnecessary because you can do it for free. Okay, now we're going to go to the app Phonto. You're going to add a picture from photo album. And you're going to click this white one because that's the one we just did. It should come up as a black screen. If it comes up as a white screen, you did. See? And now it's that. Now you're going to tap it, add text. I'm going to put in low calorie. Oop. Overnight oats. See? There you go. Gonna fix that. Okay, and then you're gonna press fonts. And you can choose whatever font you want to use. I'm going to choose this one called Bitter Bold. And it should look like that. You're gonna press done. And then there it is. Now we're gonna style it. You press style. And they have all these colors you can choose from. I'm going to choose this this darker pink one. This one. And then I'm gonna go to stroke right there. Press that light pink one. And turn it up like that. So now it should look like that. And then you're going to go to style. I'm going to click on this white. And then I'm going to turn this up all the way. Done. Should look like that. Then we're going to go down here and click again. And I'm going to put in the exact same thing. Low calorie. Overnight oats. Then I'm going to choose a font. And this time I'm going to choose, go all the way down here. I'm going to choose this one, Jenna Sue. And it should look like that. I'm going to press done. Now I'm just going to put it over this, like that. I'm also going to make it a little bit bigger like that. And I'm going to style it. Sorry about that, my sister called. Also, okay, so after you did that, I'm going to press white, like that. And then I'm going to press stroke, like that. And I'm going to press this lighter pink one. Not the lightest pink, but the other pink. And I'm going to turn this down a little bit. Just a smidge. Like that. Okay, and then we're going to go up here to style. I'm going to press this black color. And you see it makes a shadow behind it. I'm going to turn it all the way up. And then done. And then it should look like that. Look at how cute. Alright, and now we're going to save this. You're going to come down here and click this. And you're going to save the image as a PNG. Okay. We're going to click on PicsArt again. Press the plus sign. And you're going to go up here and find a photo that you really like that you want to cut out. I'm going to choose this one. And you see right here where it says cut out, you're going to press that. And you're going to press person. See, now it didn't get all the things I wanted to. So we're going to go down here where it says restore. And we're going to just color the parts that we want in. And it also has an erase button if you mess up. Alright, I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna come back. And now it is filled in all the way like I want it to. I'm going to press save over here and then watch what it does. Boom. You have yourself a sticker. And you're gonna save this. And then we're gonna go back and do another one. For this particular one, I'm gonna do another one. Don't save. Okay. Now I'm going to go to this photo right here. And I'm going to do the exact same thing. Let me do that real quick. Okay, now the parts are all colored in. And I'm going to save it. And then boom, look, I got a picture. And I'm going to save that. Okay, now you're going to go to CapCut. We're going to do new project. We're going to take this picture, video, whatever. We're going to press overlay, photos, and then look, your photos that you wanted were here. I'm going to choose this one for right now, add, and then look, it's a little sticker. And I'm going to put this in this corner like this. Like that. And then we're going to press overlay again. And we're going to take this picture. Add it. I'm going to put this one over here. Like so. And then boom. And then we're going to press overlay one more time. And we're going to get our font. Okay, so now that you've added your text, you're just going to put it to whatever size you want it to be. I'm going to put mine right there, like that. And then there you go. And then what I like to do to give it a little zazz is I go to effects right here, video effects. Right here where it says star. And I just choose whatever one I think looks good. See, I like this one. So I'm going to click this check mark over here. And then boom. I'm also going to put another one. And I'm going to go where it says butterflies. And where it says butterflies, right there. And then boom. And then what I like to do is I like to go through the video, find a scenery that looks good, it has butterflies and everything, maybe that one, and I screenshot it. Let me screenshot it real quick. And now it's screenshotted. I like to edit it to where it is just the photo. And then boom, there is your custom thumbnail. You're gonna press done and save to photos. Now, let's go to our photos. And look, there is your custom thumbnail. Okay, now we're going to go to YouTube and put it on there. This is my channel. And then boom, there it is. How cute. And if you're new here, definitely go and check out my other videos. I got low calorie grocery shopping, fridge cleaning and restock time lapse, how to customize your home screen with widgets, gym workout routine from a shy girl, low calorie overnight oats, brown sugar cinnamon, and they were really good. They tasted like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And then I got this little short of the grocery shopping that I did low calorie. definitely subscribe to my channel. It is new, as you can tell. I only have 13 subscribers, and I would love for you to be a part of my little YouTube family. If you like this video, definitely go and subscribe, and definitely like the video so I know to make more content like this. And if you're new here, definitely go and check out my other videos. They're pretty good, if I do say so myself. And I love you so much. Y'all have a blessed day.